Cannon. Nice. That looks cool, actually. You know what? Cannon looks cool. Underrated. Bizarre rifle. Now, hit by the guns. Look at the hit animation. If you manage to, you can see them getting like recoiled by the bullets. Alright, that's just lights. If you've got epilepsy, I'm sorry. Using combos. Perfect. Perfect. That's all that matters. The dragon fruit! Let's go! Yo, it looked good. Is that it? Premiere Saturday, 30th of November. That's 4 days. Wait, well, that's 5 days away because you're all behind me. Is that it?